Hello, hello everyone. I forget to bring my phone holder. So instead of using holding like a phone holder, instead I just put my phone next to the computer and then so that's that's why my phone can record me right now. And the angel also it's quite bad, but it's okay as long you can see my face and also you can hear my voice. And so currently I use this method as a method. You know, I've been using this method for about last week. I tried this method because this is the simple way to train the muscle face. When before I so very struggle to speak very clear. And also, my coworker, my friends are really difficult to understand while I having conversation to them because my muscle face doesn't work. Um, then I have idea to find out a method that could make pronunciation, the intonation is quite clear. So this method, finally I found. I just put yeah, just feel free to use any kind of pen or stick and put stick to your mouth and then hold it with your teeth. And then while hold it with your teeth, try to read out loud. Try to first try to read and sound clear. Yeah, because this is the process. This is the process. And I will try this way till 1 month and I will see the results until 1 month pass. And hopefully I got the impact of this way because I so much want to be able to speak very fluent in English and also in Indonesian as well. So this is why I try this method. Guys. Thank you so much.